Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching one point perspective. This one is from grade 10. So we have three types of perspective. We have 1 point, and we have 2 point and 3 point perspective. But today I'll be doing a 3 point, a 1 point with you. 1 point perspective. I'll be showing you how it's done. Okay. First of all, you need to know what is the meaning of these letters. Okay, this one here is stand for ground level. This one here is station point, and this one stand for horizontal line. This one is a picture view. So the instruction says use the given information and draw a neat 1 point perspective drawing. Show all construction lines. It's very important to show the construction line. Number 3 says door and window must be shown in perspective drawing. No hidden detail required. So if you can see, we've got a front view of a house, and then we have a top view of a house. So what do they mean by a perspective? A perspective is gonna appear like a 3D view, but a perspective is like if you are watching a train from the front, when you look at the back, you can see that like the back is like small, it's like disappearing. The back there is smaller than the front. So when you're going back, it's like it's disappearing, like this set square. If you look from this side, when you check that point, it's like disappearing. So that's how a perspective drawing looks like. Like if you are on the road, when you check the road, straight road, you can see that far away part is smaller than the part which is in front of you. So that's how perspective drawing looks like. So let's begin. So to begin, you're gonna take from the SP point, you draw a horizontal line like that. There you get your point. So the point you will get there, we call it VP. It's the vanishing point. So you will come and print VP here. So from there, you will take each and every point from the top view to SP, and then the one from the front view goes to VP. So this is what you will do. You draw construction lines. You take every point. So before you draw, you need to have a picture on your head how this drawing is gonna look like. So I've already have a picture how it's gonna look like. So you draw a line like that, and make sure that you don't get confused by these lines. And then you draw this one, you take this one. You see, these are a lot of lines we have here. So that's why I'm saying you have to make sure that you don't get confused. So you need to be able to follow them. So after that, you draw this one. You take each and every point from here to there. So a perspective drawing is very easy. It's very easy. It's not difficult. So you take each point like that. So you will take each and every point. So now I've taken each and every point to VP. So what comes next? Each and every line when it touches, PV or PP line, you draw a horizontal line going down, horizontally going down. So I mean a vertical line going down. Make sure that you are able to follow all your lines, because the other thing which you can do, you can draw by, because this is what's gonna happen. So whenever this line, you see this edge here is this one, whenever this line meet this one, we're gonna get a point. But first you have to draw these lines going down. When they touch your PP, you draw vertical line like that. Vertical line, vertical line, vertical line, each and every line. So these ones, they will go down like that. Yes, it's like that. Forgot this one here. It's very important. So sometimes for you not to get confused, you can just come and draw and end here, so that you won't draw this many lines. So you can end here. When it touches here, you end, and then you go down, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna take this one also down. So this is what's gonna happen. I forgot another point. So if you check, we want this one, so this point, you follow it. When it meets with this one, you get a point. So you follow it, and it's gonna meet with this one here. And then this one is gonna meet this one. It's gonna meet with this one here. I hope you guys can see what's going on here. And then the height, this one is gonna meet with this one here. Remember this one, there are 2 points. There's this one on top and then the one underneath. No, this one is gonna be here, and then this one we're gonna follow it up to here. So you have something like this. And you're gonna join it like that. And then from there we want to draw the door and the window. So the door you follow, is the door you follow, and it's gonna start here. This is the door, and then the height you follow, and it's gonna end here. And then this other one, the other height, follow, and it's gonna meet you. So this one obviously will meet there. And it's gonna be like that. So from there you're gonna draw this window. So you follow this line. When it meets with that one, from this window you get a point, and then you follow this one. When it meets with that one, you get a point, and then you follow this part here, it comes here, and then when it meets with that one, you get a point, and then you follow this one. When it meets with that one, you get a point. And then you're gonna draw like that. So that's your window. And then we're gonna draw this one. So you're just gonna follow up to there. So remember, this one is from here to here, which is from here to here. And then you're gonna follow this one. This one is a little bit easy to see. And then you will follow this one. You do this point, and then this point is here. It's like that. Now we wanna draw this part here. So from there we want to draw this wall from here to here. So we already have this one, so you follow this one, and then when it meets with this one again, so you're gonna get your point there. And then also on top, So which means, okay, now, okay, you have a line like that. Now we want to get this distance, which is from this point to there. So which means it will come here to the end, this one. So you draw a line like that. Now we want to get this height. So if you follow this one, it's coming here, and then this will be the height. And then we want to get this one. This one is gonna come, you follow, it's up to here, which means you draw a line like that. And then this one you can just join it here. And then this one is still going up like that. From there we have this one, as you can see, and then the height, and then so I made a mistake here. This wasn't supposed to be here. So since I'm drawing with a pen, I won't be able to remove it. Okay, let's draw this this window. So we'll have a point here and another point here. The height, you're gonna follow this one. So you will follow it like that when it meets with that one. And then this one here, when it meets with this one. So this one is here. So draw a line like that. And then you have also this one, which is going inside here. So which is gonna be like this. And then from there, what's left, let's draw the roof. So as you can see, this is the height of the roof. So if you check, when you take this one, it's gonna come in. This is the middle of the roof, and also this one, it's gonna come in. It's the height. And then the end of the roof. So you're gonna take this one, and then when it meets that end, it's gonna come here. So we have a line like that, and another line like that. So, and then this one will join here, and this one will join this one. And then from here, this one is flat, so hence I was saying this one is not there, so I made a mistake. So let's get this point here, which will be this one. So this one, they're supposed to be at the same place. And then this one will join this one. So this one is a little bit slanty, so it's like a butterfly roof. So this is a perspective. This one, remember, it's not there. So now you're finished with your perspective. So this is how it's done. This is your 1 point perspective. This is the roof, which is this one. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. So this is how a 1 point perspective is done, as you can see. So remember, this one is not there. So on the next video, I'll be doing a 2 point perspective. So thank you guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like.